When configuring your Excel file, make sure you have a column for age. It could be age in years, weeks, months, or even days. Also make sure you have a column for sex. Indicate the female sex with the word female, or the letter F. And indicate the male sex with the word male, or the letter M. You should also have a column for weight in kilograms and one for height in centimeters. Go to the NutriAssess DOCS website and upload your file. Do note that you can only upload spreadsheets. You'll automatically be redirected to the analysis page where you'll have to link your column titles to the assessment parameters. You can then click Finish and preview and even download your analyzed Excel sheet.